everyone, it's Darian. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be planting some petunias that I propagated and showing you how you can propagate petunias too. So we're here on my porch where I have this coco coir hanging basket, and right now I have an English ivy, an ipomea, and a creeping jenny. So in the layer behind that, I have these petunias that I propagated, and I believe that they are the Petunia Bordeaux. So I took these cuttings from a plant that I bought, and I have rooted them. And now they are ready to be planted. So I planted 4 of the petunias in the basket. So now I'm going to show you how to take petunia cuttings and propagate them yourself. So these are the petunias that I'm going to be propagating. They are a black variety, and I would like to put those also in the basket. What I'm going to do with clean clippers, you want to take a stem cutting a couple inches long and cut right below where the leaf comes out of the stem. So we're in my basement in my grow room. This is where I start all my seeds in the winter, and I currently have propagations going on in here. I have a grow light, and it is sitting on a heat mat. Here are some of the things that I'm propagating right now. Here are some more of the Bordeaux petunias. And as you can see, they've rooted in quite nicely. Here's some string of turtles, and there's a tiny root. And I just put this Cebu blue and lemon lime philodendron in here a couple days ago. I'm going to take just a standard cell pack and fill it with the Espoma organic seed starter. Here is my cell pack with the soil in it, and I'm putting this tray lid down to contain any mess that we might make. So now I'm going to moisten the soil. Okay, so now our cell pack is ready. And what I'm going to do is take a pencil and just make a hole in the center of each cell. This is where we're going to put our petunia stem. You want to take your cutting, and I wanted to mention that you want to get a cutting with some leaves still left after you pull off the bottom stems. So you want to pull off the bottom stems. Okay, so we want to create a small wound, and then this will help promote root growth from that area. But you want to have some leaves because the plant needs to be able to produce energy to be able to produce roots. So now that we have our stem ready, I'm going to dip this in a rooting hormone. I got this from Home Depot. It's Garden Safe Take Root. And now we just place that in the cell. So now I'm going to do that with the rest of the cuttings. We just want to remove the bottom leaves so we're giving the stem enough area to produce a root system. You can even remove the flowers if you want to. They're not going to help promote roots, which is what we want in this stage. So now I'm going to put these in my propagation box, and I'll update you in a couple weeks to see where we're at. You don't need to have grow lights or heat mats or even the humidity trays to be able to propagate your plants. I got this box from Menards and it was only about $5, and you could easily put soil in the bottom of it and put it in a sunny location and it would work in the same way. The only thing that I recommend that you do have is some type of rooting hormone. The one that I use I got from Home Depot, and I can put it in the description down below. So that's how I propagate my petunias. You can use this method for many other kinds of plants. I think it's a fun way to make more plants inexpensively. Hopefully you like this video. Please let me know down below and let me know what you want to see in my next video. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.